everyone and welcome to Letscookolet. In this episode you're going to learn how to make the best chicken souvlaki ever. So this recipe can work for either chicken or pork, but today I'm using the chicken because it's my favorite and it's going to be in a Greek pita. You cut fresh chicken, I will say just like this, that pieces. We don't want to make it big because it's going to take long cooking. So the smallest the pieces, the less time cooking. Now this recipe doesn't require a lot of time to be marinated. It's about 20-25 minutes. It should be good to go. I'm going to mince the garlic very fine. Perfect, that will do. Here you go. Lime juice. And of course, these don't throw it out, just cut it. Few pieces and goes in the chicken. Of course, you're not gonna put it in a skewer, but this is give nice lime zest flavor to the souvlaki. Salt, pepper, lemon juice, oregano, and of course a Greek yogurt. If you don't have a Greek yogurt, regular yogurt will do. You mix it very well. So now let's put them on the side for 20-25 minutes. And now we're gonna work on the toppings. I'm gonna make toppings on top of the souvlaki after we put it in the Greek pita. So let's start with the tomatoes. Oopa! You know what I did? I forgot to put the olive oil in the marinade. A Greek meal and you don't use olive oil, you're in a big trouble. Here we go. My apology. Now back to wait. And let's slice the tomatoes. Onion. And a rough chop parsley. Perfect. Goes in. Now definitely I'm not gonna forget the olive oil. And some salt and pepper. Here we go, just give it a quick mix. Now I don't have patience at all because they look yummy, they smell so good, so I didn't wait 25 minutes to marinate. But if you make it at home, make sure you marinate it between 20 to 25 minutes. Me, I'm getting hungry and I can't wait to start eating. 5 to 6 pieces in each skewer. It will be perfect, just like this. Put it on the plate. And we're gonna put them all in the skewer first before we start grilling. They're all ready to go. Now make sure your stove on a medium high, and I'm using the grilling pan, so we want it nice and hot, but feel free to use the barbecue outside if you want to. Me, I'm gonna keep it cozy here, so I'm using the grilling pan. Here we go, start smoking. Now let's put the chicken. I love this sound. So I kept the stove down on medium, and look at that beauty. And it took me about 6 minutes for one side, and I'm gonna continue cooking the other side until the internal temperature reach minimum of 165. Here we go. The last 4 minutes I cover it, and let's check how's the chicken doing. Perfect. So 167, 168. Turn off, and our chicken souvlaki good to go. Now to complete the sandwich, the most amazing Greek souvlaki sandwich you're gonna have, it's here. Your stove on a medium-high, frying pan, olive oil. Here we go. You see these puff pockets? I'm gonna toast them so will be super soft from outside and a little crispy crunchy from the inside. And of course, Greek pita always need to be warm. Few seconds to give you golden brown color. Beautiful. That's what we're looking for. Now let's put together the super duper chicken souvlaki. So start with the tzatziki. Spread the tzatziki. Chicken souvlaki. Let's get rid of the skewer, the tomato and the onion and the parsley. We did. Goes on top. Now you just fold it. Oh boy, can't wait. Wow, the taste of heaven. Everybody should have a bite of this chicken souvlaki in a Greek pita. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.